Hello there. Congratulations. Now that you finally got your braces on, how about we take a few minutes of your precious time and go over some important information together.
Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to take care of your braces. Brushing, flossing, and using special tools to clean them. Taking care of your braces is very important so you don't get cavities and decalcification called white spots underneath the braces. So pay attention closely to the video so you learn how to take proper care of your braces and get nice, healthy, beautiful smile. So when you start your braces with us, you'll get a bag full of items that will help you take care of your braces. First is a starter kit, which has necessary items to clean your braces. In addition, you'll get the following magnets that you can place on your refrigerator, which remind you how to take care of the braces, proper brushing and flossing techniques, and other important information. Inside the starter kit, you'll find various items to help you clean your teeth. There's a toothbrush, travel toothbrush, proxy brush, mirror, floss, floss threaders, and wax. We'll go over some of these to show you how to use them. So let's go over brushing. When you're brushing, you want to make sure you brush all surfaces. That includes the front of the teeth, the top of the teeth, behind the teeth, the roof of your mouth, and the tongue. Also, don't forget about the bottom. Let's go into specifics about how to brush around the braces. So, you want to brush on top of the braces like this, but you also want to angle the brush so it's hitting above, on the gums, and also below on the edges. You imagine you're brushing 360 degrees around the bracket to get into every undercut and underneath the wire. Most patients miss along the gum line, which is this section here. So making sure you adapt the brush so it's not only on top but also angled onto the gums is very important. Don't forget to do the bottom. Same thing, pull your lip out of the way, angle the toothbrush onto the gums up underneath the wire and braces. Then take the brush on top of the braces and finally on top of the teeth to get the final angle. So this is an inter-proximal brush. It's an adjunct to using the toothbrush, but it is not a replacement for flossing or brushing. It's only to help you out. This one comes with a little cap, and you can see it's just a very narrow brush that helps you get underneath the wire. So it's good for getting big pieces of food or plaque from underneath the wire between the teeth. You can take it and stick it right under the wire like this, and also you can adapt it so it goes in between the contacts of each tooth. Again, this is just to help you get out major debris, but not to replace brushing and flossing. So you may be wondering, how do I floss with these braces and wires on? Good question. There's special tools called Floss Threaders. This is the bag they come in, and it's included in your starter kit. Floss Threaders look like this. So it's just like a needle. It has a big end, big loop, and a small end which is used for threading. That's one component. The second component is the floss itself, which comes in a package like this. Everyone knows what floss looks like, okay, and it's used to get in between the teeth. So you take your floss and the floss threader, and you do the following. Take the big end of the threader and the floss and put it through that big end so it's dangling just like that, okay? And then you're going to take the small end of the threader, and just like you're sewing, you're going to put it right underneath the wire. So if my goal is to floss between these two teeth here, I'm going to take the threader, put it underneath the wire, and grab it. I'm going to hold one end of the floss while I pull the other end through. You can see now the floss is under the wire, and now I can go right in between the contact of the tooth to floss properly. As you floss through the contact, you adapt it to one side of the tooth, then to the other side of the tooth, making a C shape, going up and down even below the gums. When I'm done with that tooth, I pull it out, rethread the threader, and would floss the next set of teeth. and so on and so forth. This may take a while at first, 15 minutes. Once you get the hang of it, you should be able to do it in a few minutes only. So another tool we recommend to our patients is the water flosser, and this is the box it comes in. You can buy these to help out with flossing and brushing if you're having trouble. The water flosser is great because it flushes out bacteria and food from around the braces. However, the water flosser is not a replacement for brushing and flossing. It's only meant to be as an additional tool to help out those having trouble taking care of their braces. So you may be wondering what happens if one of your braces or wires is poking you. One part of your kit is the wax, and this is the solution. Wax comes in a case like this, in a few different bars. So if a brace is bothering you, you want to take a piece of the wax just like this. Okay, roll it into a ball. And let's pretend that this hook of the brace is bothering you. You dry it off with a towel or piece of tissue. Okay, once it was really dry, you take the wax and you push it right onto the tooth like that. Once it's on partially, you'd smush it around so it goes into all the different undercuts, okay? This way it acts as a cushion against your cheek and your tongue. Once the irritation is gone, you can take the wax off and remove it, and you'll no longer need it. We find most patients need this only at the beginning of treatment for the first month. After that, their cheeks get used to the feeling of the braces and it's no longer needed. So I hope this video helps, and I hope you understand how to take care of your braces, brushing, flossing, and using the other tools in your braces kit. Remember, it's essential to take care of your teeth and braces to have a healthy and beautiful smile. Best of luck.